Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter's School. This is your science class, and we were already started with the chapter number 2. We already have completed chapter 1, and we are started with chapter number 2, that is adaptation in plants. And in this chapter, we discuss about the what are the types of what is adaptation and what is habitat, and uh, what are the different types of plants which is found in different types of regions, and what are the adaptation adapted by those plants. We are just now discussing, we are just going to discuss about this, what are the adaptation adapted by different types of plants in different types of regions. So in this first example, in the desert, about the desert plant, we already discussed that how what are the adaptation found in desert plant. It's like a modified leaf in the form of thorn, and broader stem instead of having a broader leaf, and deep roots and thick cuticle on the surface. So these all are the adaptation done by the desert plant. Today we are going to discuss about the plant which is found in plain area. Means like there is a normal land area that is called plain area. So the just take out your books and take out page number 159. You will see one purple color block. You will see on the page number 159. It is written here: the flowers of the desert plant bloom in the night to avoid the severe heat during the day. Okay, so what happens, most of the desert plant don't do flowering, but some of the desert plant also perform flowering. But what happen, they usually perform flowering in the night time, so that they need they should not come in contact of severe heat, because in the daytime in the desert area there is a severe heat in that area. So what will happen, that plant flower will destroy, and there is no multiplication of plant will occur, because if there will be no flower, then there will be no reproduction, and we are unable to get a new plant, or they are unable to reproduce them. So to avoid this, the desert plant, what they desert plant do, they usually produce flower in the night time, so that they do not come under the severe heat, और बहुत ज़्यादा हीट के अंदर ना आए, और वो स्पॉइल ना हो, और रिप्रोडक्शन भी हो, एंड फ्लावरिंग भी मतलब अच्छी तरह से फ्लावरिंग भी हो उस प्लांट के ऊपर. सो दैट्स वाई this is also considered as the type of adaptation done by the desert plant. Now the next topic is the plains. Just have a quick reading on it. The climate here is moderate. Now what is moderate type of climate? Moderate climate are those climate where changes of temperatures occurs very equally. जैसे हमारे यहाँ होता है 3 months winter season, 3 months summer season, 2 months rainy season, 2 months spring season. So in this way हर एक सीज़न इक्वली डिवाइडेड है, रेनी सीजन, विंटर सीजन, ऑटमन एंड स्प्रिंग. So every season is equally divided. So that type of climate is called moderate climate. और जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं होती, उसको बोलते हैं moderate type of climate. What happens in desert area, there is a hot and severe hot climate in the daytime every day. मतलब every day means every month of the year in the desert area, what you will find, there is a severe heat in a daytime. But what happen in a moderate plain area, it is not like that. In winter season it might be cold temperature at a daytime, or in the summer season only it is hot in daytime, but it is probably a little bit cooler than the daytime in the night time. So ऐसा होता है, moderate होता है, always there is a change of temperature. ठंड भी होती है, गर्मी भी होती है उस रीजन में, पर्टिकुलर रीजन में. So it is neither too hot nor too cold, and the rainfall is sufficient. The plants that grow on plains have many branches. Okay, so now what is the main characteristics of the plant which used to grow in plain area is we all know that in plain area moderate types of climate is found. So heavy rainfall also occurs sometimes. कभी कभी बारिश भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो टू अवॉइड दिस व्हाट हैपेंस, द प्लांट यूज टू ग्रो, दे यूज टू ब्रॉड देयर ब्रांचेस. वो अपने ब्रांचेस को बहुत ज़्यादा फैलाते हैं, जिससे कि what they shed their leaves during winter and new leaves appear in the spring season. Okay, what happened, their leaves are very in a collapsed manner. Collapsed manner मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डेंस होते हैं उनके लीफ, डेंस होते हैं उनके लीफ, बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रांचेस होंगे. For example, the branches will be here, and then again other branches will appear here, and then again branches will appear here. So what happened, at the same place there is a number of leaves grows. Okay, at one place there is a number of leaves grow. So what happened when there is a summer season, hot humid climate, what happens, these leaves comes in contact of silver hot, but these leaves got shade from these leaves. They don't come in contact of, directly come in contact of silver heat in a summer days. Also in rainy season what happened, rainy season, in the rainy season also what happened, the water falls on the ground through these leaves, and these leaves can easily saved by the upper leaves. So that's why in the plain area you will usually see that there is a very wide branches plants are found. For example, mango, neem, banyan, people, etc. So banyan is not given here, but banyan is also a type of example. Okay, so banyan, mango and neem tree, and these type of tree you must have seen. What is the structure of these plant? वो इस तरह के प्लांट होते हैं, उनके स्टेम बहुत वाइडर होते हैं, and the leaves are collapsed at one place. ऐसा single leaf herd, but single branches is not comes out from the plant. Single branches does not comes out of the plant like this. They have a very like a mass में आपको दिखेगा. Every leaves are at the one place, and this is very thick in structure. So this is called like they are wider in shape, and this is the type of adaptation which is adapted by the plant which is found in plain area. Now come to the next topic. Turn the page and come on the page number 160. Mountain area. The weather condition on the mountain are generally very cold with snowfall sometimes. So the weather condition on the mountains are generally very cold. Yes, we all know that sometimes what happen on a mountain area, very cold weather is there, and sometimes also with snowfall occurs. The plants also do not get enough sunlight, so the plants here need adaptation to fight the cold and get more sunlight. So what is the problem in the mountain area? The most important problem is they do not get sufficient sunlight, and they also have to survive in a very cold area. Sometimes when snowfall occurs, what happens, they have to survive in that temperature also. So how do they survive? Let's see what are the adaptation. The trees on the mountain are tall and straight. They grow in a conical shape and have a needle-like leaves. This helps the snow to slip down easily, and they bear cones instead of flowers. Okay, so what happens? क्या होता है कि ना, when you will see the plants of mountain area, you will find that all the leaves are arranged parallelly. All the leaves are not arranged parallelly. They are like in a alternative way, adjacent way. None of the leaf is parallel. कोई भी leaf एक दूसरे के नीचे नहीं होता है. Okay, so इससे क्या होता है? What happens due to this? Because when the snowfall occurs, they fall here, and they started falling here and falling here, and they fall on the ground. Okay, वो कहीं भी accumulate नहीं होता है. They never accumulate. So to avoid accumulation, the leaves are always arranged in an adjacent way. हमेशा इस तरह से होता है जिससे कि स्नोफॉल कभी भी हो तो वो सीधे ग्राउंड पे जाए, कहीं पे भी कलेक्ट नहीं हो जाए. ओके, एंड द plants are usually found very taller in height and also conical in shape. They don't do flowering, never. The plant which is found in mountain don't do flowering. They have a very conical shaped tip. What happens, why it is conical? Again the same reason. If it will be broader like this, suppose this is broader like this, what happens when snowfall will occur, the snow will collect over here. Okay, so to avoid this, what happened, they are used to adapt this structure. Now snow cannot collect here. Okay, So whenever the snowfall will happen, it will fall on the ground only. So to avoid the snowfall accumulation, the leaf is always in a conical shape, and the leaf is also in a needle shape, so that no accumulation of snowfall occur. ऐसा leaf रहेगा, broader leaf रहेगा, तो इस पे definitely snow जमा हो जाएगा. But if the leaf is like this, what happens? Snow will fall down. Okay. So they grow in a conical shape and have a needle-like leaves. This helps the snow to slip down easily. They bear cones and instead of flowers. Example are pine, fir, deodar, and etc. etc. So we have already covered the two topics today, plains and mountain. In next class we will discuss about the other adaptation done in the coastal areas, marshes areas, and aquatic plants. So till the time, just keep revising all the whatever is already studied. So take care and bye bye.